Hello everyone, it's Boris Kipnis. Welcome to our third lesson. If you haven't watched the first two lessons, please watch them now, otherwise you will not understand today's lesson. Let's start. Today I'm going to teach you two very important structures in Hebrew. Let's start with the first one. How would you say Rosa wants to buy it? Rosa ROTSA LIKNOT ZE? No way! You cannot say it that way in Hebrew. Let's start at the beginning. How would you say it? Ze. It is. Ze. That is. It is. This is. Ze.
How would you say it's Joseph? Ze Yosef. It's not Joseph. Ze lo Yosef. Is it Joseph? Ze Yosef? This is Joseph. Ze Yosef. That's not Joseph. Ze lo Yosef. That's not it. Ze lo ze. It's not this. Ze lo ze. Is it that? Ze ze? This isn't it. Ze lo ze. That isn't it. Ze lo ze. It's not that. Ze lo ze.
Hello? לא, זה לא יוסף, זה בוריס. How would you say Rosa wants to buy it? Rosa רוצה לקנות? Stop. You cannot use ze. Whenever there is no action, we can and we have to use ze. It's Joseph. Ze Yosef. This is it. Ze ze. This isn't it. Ze lo ze. Where is the action? There is no action. Excellent. But when you do have an action, ze turns into et ze. So how would our phrase sound? Rosa wants to buy it. Correct. Rosa רוצה לקנות את זה. Very good. Let's see another structure.
Don't forget to press the pause button, build the phrase on your own, and only then listen to the correct answer. Joseph is coming. Yosef bא. Joseph is not coming. Yosef לא בא. Joseph comes. Yosef בא. Joseph comes with Sarah. Yosef בא עם שרה. Joseph doesn't come with Sarah. Yosef לא בא עם שרה. Joseph comes with me. Yosef בא איתי. Joseph comes with you. Yosef בא איתך. Joseph comes with you guys. Yosef בא איתכם. We don't want to speak with Joseph. אנחנו לא רוצים לדבר עם יוסף. We don't want to speak with him. אנחנו לא רוצים לדבר איתו. Joseph is coming to speak with us. יוסף בא לדבר איתנו. Want to speak with him? רוצים לדבר איתו?
Until now, we've learned one preposition and we've seen how it can be used. The preposition with. Now you can say with Joseph. עם יוסף. You can say with Sarah. עם שרה. You can say with me. איתי. With you. איתך. With you guys. איתכם. Very good. Now we're going to examine another preposition. The next preposition will allow you to say for Joseph. ליוסף. For Sarah. לשרה. You've already understood that each time when you want to say with me, you should say איתי. From now on, each time when you want to say for me, you will say לי. So if with me, איתי, with you, איתך, with you guys, איתכם, for me will be לי, לי, for you, Joseph, לך, לך, for you guys, לכם, לכם. For me, לי, for you, Joseph, לך, for you guys, לכם. Excellent. And how would you say for them? להם, להם. Very good. And for you, Sarah, we've already seen that for you, Joseph, the sound is ha ha ha, ha. And for Sarah, exactly the opposite sound, ach. Therefore, for you, Sarah, ach, lach. For him, lo, For her, L, A, La. Great. For us, if we is אנחנו, for us, לנו. Let's see both of the structures in the following phrases.
How would you say, it is Joseph, זה יוסף? Is it Joseph? זה יוסף? This isn't it. זה לא זה. Is that it? זה? It's Jacob. זה יעקב. Is it Jacob? זה יעקב? Rosa doesn't want to buy. Rosa לא רוצה לקנות. Rosa wants to buy it. Rosa רוצה לקנות את זה. Rosa wants to buy it for Joseph. Rosa רוצה לקנות את זה ליוסף. Rosa wants to buy it for him. For him, how do you say it? I always start with myself following the 3 steps. For me, לי, for you, Joseph. לך, for you guys. לכם, for him. לא. Rosa wants to buy it for him. Rosa רוצה לקנות את זה לו. Very good. Rosa doesn't want to buy it for me. Rosa לא רוצה לקנות את זה לי. Rosa doesn't want to buy it for you. Rosa לא רוצה לקנות את זה לך. Rosa doesn't want to buy it for you guys. Rosa לא רוצה לקנות את זה לכם. It's not for me, it's for you. זה לא לי, זה לך. It's not that. זה לא זה. It's not Joseph, it's חיים. זה לא יוסף, זה חיים. Joseph comes, יוסף בא. Joseph is coming, יוסף בא. Joseph doesn't come to buy. יוסף לא בא לקנות. Joseph is coming to talk. יוסף בא לדבר. Joseph is coming to buy. יוסף בא לקנות. Joseph is coming to buy it. יוסף בא לקנות את זה. Joseph is coming to buy it for me. יוסף בא לקנות את זה לי. Joseph is coming to buy it for you. יוסף בא לקנות את זה לך. Joseph is coming to buy it for them. יוסף בא לקנות את זה for them. How would you say it? I want to remind you, I always start with myself following the 3 steps. For me, לי, for you, Joseph. לך, for you guys. לכם, for them. להם. Joseph is coming to buy it for them. יוסף בא לקנות את זה להם. Great. Joseph is coming to buy it for her. יוסף בא לקנות את זה לה. Joseph is coming to buy it for him. יוסף בא לקנות את זה לו. It's this. Joseph is coming to buy it for us. זה. יוסף בא לקנות את זה לנו. It's not us, it's Joseph. זה לא אנחנו, זה יוסף. It isn't Joseph, it's us. זה לא יוסף, זה אנחנו. It's us, we want to buy it for them. זה אנחנו רוצים לקנות את זה להם. It's Joseph, Joseph wants to buy it for us. זה יוסף רוצה לקנות את זה לנו. Joseph comes with Sarah to buy it. יוסף בא עם שרה לקנות את זה. Joseph is coming with her to buy it. יוסף בא איתה לקנות את זה. Joseph is coming with me to buy it for you. יוסף בא איתי לקנות את זה לך. This is Joseph. Joseph is coming with you to buy it for you guys. זה יוסף בא איתך לקנות את זה לכם. Sarah wants to buy it for us with Joseph. שרה רוצה לקנות את זה לנו עם יוסף. We don't want to buy it. Sarah wants to buy it for us. אנחנו לא רוצים לקנות את זה. שרה רוצה לקנות את זה לנו. Joseph is coming with Sarah. יוסף בא עם שרה. Joseph wants to buy it for you. יוסף רוצה לקנות את זה לך. Sarah wants to speak with you. שרה רוצה לדבר איתך. I don't want to speak with you. אני לא רוצה לדבר איתך. Sarah wants to speak. Joseph doesn't want to speak. שרה רוצה לדבר. יוסף לא רוצה לדבר. Sarah doesn't want to speak with you. Joseph wants to speak with them. שרה לא רוצה לדבר איתכן. יוסף רוצה לדבר איתם. I don't want to buy it for you with them. אני לא רוצה לקנות את זה לכם איתם. We want to speak with you. אנחנו רוצים לדבר איתכם.
Excellent! You've just built more than 40 phrases on your own. It sums up our first 3 lessons and the most important structures of the Hebrew language. Subscribe to our channel and see you in the next lesson.